I can't tell you that because I don't know.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central El Paso County in east central Colorado until 2:45 p.m. At 2:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rush, or 32 miles southwest of Lyman, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.